power abuse resulting to injustices, poverty and human rights violations is a reality. It is also a growing phenomenon that we silently witness in our communities, hoping that someone will finally do something about it.
First, for everyone else, what is restorative justice?
It's part of the ethos that we all have to resolve conflicts and share the power.
I felt I had to respond to this need by creating Restorative Justice for All, and with the strong belief and determination to help rebalance power. Restorative Justice for All, that's exactly what it says on the tin. It offers restorative justice for all through its practices, but also values of power sharing, equality, dignity, respect, and involvement in decision making. We do this through 4 interlinked arms: the RJ4All International Institute, the RJ4All Community Centre, RJ4All Sports, and RJ4All Publications. These 4 pillars aim to provide a holistic solution to community tensions, increasing community cohesion through the provision of local, national, and international services. It is my dream that Restorative Justice for All becomes a world movement that will see the local and international community rising up to the injustices that we have all silently accepted, and through partnership working, achieve a better future for all.
This is amazing, my goodness. I often wonder how on earth I managed before you guys arrived. And on this estate, you've got all sort of ages, creeds, colours, classes, and some of them are very, very poor. Heaven forbid you should ever leave, because we really do need you to stay around. So please, hang around, please.
At RJ4All, we believe that every individual has power. Do not let anyone lead you to believe that you can't do anything about power abuses and injustices. You can take action now by joining the RJ4All family, or simply by donating and supporting us. Thank you.